flash flood bulletin for the following counties in West Virginia: Jackson, Roane, Wirt and Wood, and Meigs, Ohio. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Meigs County in southeastern Ohio, northwestern Roane County in central West Virginia, northeastern Jackson County in northwestern West Virginia, southwestern Wood County in northwestern West Virginia, southwestern Wood County in northwestern West Virginia until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Ripley, Ravenswood, Sandyville, Reedy, Leroy, Kiwi, Rockport, Morristown, Fulton, and Lucille. This includes the following highways: Interstate 77 in West Virginia between mile markers 137 and 164. Here is flash flood bulletin. At Cleveland, partly sunny and 78 degrees. At Cincinnati, cloudy and 81 degrees. At Pittsburgh, a thunderstorm and 73 degrees. National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southern Prince George's County in central Maryland, northern Charles County in southern Maryland until 8 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain in Waldorf. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: law enforcement. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Waldorf, Fort Washington, Montville, St. Charles, Accokeek, Bryan's Road, Brandywine, Hughesville, Baden, Potomac Heights, Quosco, Bryantown, Pomfret, Port Tobacco Village, White Plains, Northwood, Densville, Port Tobacco. Local fire departments reported multiple vehicles stranded in high water in the Waldorf area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Morristown, Fulton, and Lucille. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by training thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rain and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mansfield and Ontario. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded. To higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Richmond, Ohio. Flood advisory